The Yoruba people have called the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to immediately call for the divide of this country so that everybody go fit decide in faith and how you want take live in life. But as this thing happen, e no reach how many days now Tinubu make a statement say that if anybody trespass against the sovereignty of this country, say he's going to deal with that person accordingly. He's referring to his viral video of a Yoruba nation, which they have said that they want to take over one government house in Iyo. So this is the statement and this is the stand of Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Tinubu did not stand for he didn't stand for the restructuring. He only stand for one Nigeria. This is what Tinubu stand for. But however, as that one day happened, they said that the video that we updated you people yesterday regarding the Fulani taking their cow to one elderly man farm. Then when the Fulani now come back, I want you to hear what this Fulani is saying, for you to know that somebody who asked them to go and take your cow and go anywhere you like, give them full authority. There is adage in Igbo language that say onye na-ejinyere na-eji amakuso. Is talking with boldness that will show you that the people behind him know what they are doing. However, we're going to look into those things. However, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If it's not the first time you come across this channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here. They bring you updates back to back as they hot. So I want you to share this video and make sure say they subscribe to this channel and follow this channel if you are watching from Facebook. And do not forget also to turn your notification bell so that you could get our updates back to back. Please, if you want to comment and you can't be able to comment, get patience with us. We are having issue with comment section, so we are going to fix that in short time. Let's jump into this matter and know how it they happen for the area. They say that the Yorubas have called the Tinubu that dividing the country would be more better and it will leave a very legacy by him is the one who served Nigerians, because if Nigeria continue going like this, there may be another war, and this war now is not going to be like Biafra Nigeria was going to be a tribal war between the Funanis, Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba, and other tribes and other entities in Nigeria. So they have advised Tinubu to do so, but Tinubu responded them by telling them that anybody who trespass or who talk about that will face the law. I'm going to play the video for you to watch before we come back and continue.
Of most recent, the Yoruba agitators have written to Tinubu, making it very clear to him that they are no longer interested in Nigeria, do not support restructuring. What they need is total separation. They want their own nation to govern themselves and protect themselves from the invasion of Fulani militias. Your take on this?
Yeah, good morning, viewers. I'm Sunday Irewoye. I'm happy to come and talk about Nigeria issue. First of all, it has taken too long. If Tinubu has agreed on restructuring, as to restructure Nigeria as regards to the 2014 confab, this thing, it would have been better. But up to today, things are going very hard. So if Nigerians, if the Yorubas are now agitating for a total breakup, then nobody will say Nigerians have not been patient enough. Because there is absolutely nothing Nigerian citizens are enjoying from the government. So for saying that whoever that agitates for a breakup of Nigeria will pay the price, well, he has everything it takes because they are the one in government. But one question I used to ask people, who pronounced that division that Nigeria should go a separate way? Who pronounces it? Is it the president of the Western world? I don't understand. But it's high time we begin to agitate for a total breakup. There is no doubt about it. Because things are getting harder every day. Nigerians don't know which way to go. So since he has not embarked in restructuring Nigeria, then the best thing is for Nigeria to get divided.
As the best thing for Nigeria now is division. Is that what your submissions are?
Exactly. It's division. The best thing for Nigeria is division. Since the leaders cannot longer, there's crisis all over the land. Crisis in Ondo, crisis in Benue, crisis, kidnapping, and all these things. So Nigeria does not have any stable agenda, especially the leaders. Our politicians does not have anything for Nigerians. They don't have anything. So total division will be the watchword, will be the solution for the issue of the day.
Do you think that the President Ahmed Bola Tinubu will subscribe to that, being that that will truncate his administration?
I have always known that no sitting president will want to subscribe to that. It is very, very difficult. But if any sitting president has been doing the needful, there will be no need for division. But something masterminded that division. And it's the issue of insecurity, no food security, no good medical care, no infrastructure, no school educationally. Everything is down. NEPA, power, and all these things. So when people get fed up, there is nothing more than to say, let's go a separate way. And that is why the Yoruba Afenifere, the like of Afenifere, are beginning to agitate for total breakup now. Because Afenifere, I used to know them very well, that before they have always hammered on restructuring, right, even right from the time of Jonathan, before Buhari. Then now is President Tinubu. Why didn't he want to go to restructure Nigeria? That would have been better if he has done it earlier. It would have been better. But since he failed and he's turning his back to restructure Nigeria, then Afenifere will now come up with a different thing, and that is why you see that total breakup. So I am in full support of that total breakup, nothing short of that.
Yeah, my wonderful people. There's a stage when things will get to, and we'll call it a spade. The problem that these agitations are having right now is because they have planted a photocopy. Do you know what I mean by photocopy? Inside them, they planted people who speak as if they are with them or they are fighting for that cause, but they are trying to label that cause a terrorist organization in international level. It left for all those who are highly educated to understand, or who have spiritual eyes to understand what is happening in all this agitation, be Biafra agitation, be Yoruba Nation agitation, and other agitation you see in Nigeria today. Once they have seen you are succeeding, they will create somebody like you that will manipulate the whole thing. But I pray that God give the freedom to those who deserve the freedom. However, let's jump into this Biafra land and find out how wetin Fulani they do for inside that area. We updated this man video yesterday showing when the Fulani took their farm to this man farm and destroy everything. So when they now catch the Fulani, I want you to hear what he's saying. It will give you a proper understanding for you to know that these people, somebody up there are behind them. Watch the video.
Not be the first one, not be the second one, not be the third one. It's been coming, destroying all its things, and we have been crying. So I don't know why you should ask him to live here and be destroying. No, come on.
Go that side. No, I know they go. I go push me. I don't tip. I don't do what.
Mala,
You
come
spoil
and sit down.
somebody
They
something. You
picture
spoil
me
somebody.
too.
What if you suppose somebody something to picture me?
Mala, come and
so.
come here. They picture me and you.
Malam, come hear what I'm saying. Come,
We know the beach person. We know the
That is why they do and I don't know that one again.
no.
I don't know that. Even in our farm, in a true in our farm, they do the thing know it like that. I know it for you.
No,
And they are
we
not
don't say
protecting
you.
you.
We don't say you tip. As they picture
Find the
you.
picture me now. I don't deny you. I
The
don't
reason
deny
why we dey picture you, we say once you tell us say they no go come again, we go take and say they no go come again.
exactly.
But no make the thing where you go make youth where they.
Don't face.
Sani, Ana internet. Anani.
So, see, I'm not going
Anybody na
Fine, leave her.
our own one.
That's how we go leave our cow.
Our own one. Where the other one? Okay, leave am now. This one. Mala, take am easy. We too with the vessel.
This is why they picture me.
With the picture you because now you bring the cow here. Where the people's farm.
exactly.
You don't have this is where this is the do. You don't have
I'm not happy.
Ah,
so why they don't picture you? Why they don't picture you?
So that picture that because of that.
Mala, what you they talk about this?
Okay, what you want?
Okay.
Yes.
Now him they ask me. Now him they ask me about disability. That picture, why that picture me?
You the picture me too.
If you picture na brother na
The picture,
No, we go picture you.
you go carry me go on that side again.
Picture all of them.
Huh?
You go carry me go on that side.
No, we're not going to go on that side. No. Once you talk with you, where you
My
go
man,
something, where
I
you
beg, make una listen to me. Okay. I know say you no get cow. Yeah?
me I get cow.
You no get cow. One, this cow why enter farm na our own.
Okay.
One, these people, all of una here na mature person. Okay. You don't call me because you are fighting me. I do not cause me.
No, now you can't do like say you want fight now.
Even your brother wait there, they never beat him.
We no touch am. We'll call you.
Okay, wait. That picture, why they picture me? I know on that.
No, we go picture. We go picture, Mala.
Take our politics.
The picture is to just have a conference that we meet with you, discuss with you, so that we are going to have the.
So you know we bring this cow come this place.
Because what we want to depend how you settle with this.
Say, Mala.
You know we bring this
Mala.
cow come this place.
Like I tell you.
That be this picture.
If I want, if I want.
Wait. Wait, what I want for you now. Make una leave that. Make una talk about the farm. No be cow farm shop. Cow shop farm. Yes. Okay, now cow shop farm.
Okay. You don't see am. What you go do now? You don't see the elderly man.
I don't see am.
Show the elderly man again.
Magalese damages. Magalese damages.
Yeah, maybe she. Video. So, Mala, what you go do now?
I say about
Mala, talk. We will know the fight. Once you settle this man, we leave you, but you not go come here again.
You know come here.
Exactly.
I know they come for the farm. I know they come this bush.
But this bush and this farm.
You no go come this river again. This river, you no go come.
I know the shop.
No, no talk that one.
I know the shop.
No talk that one.
I know the shop.
Okay, you no go come this river
Wait.
again.
This cow.
I know they use money to buy the cow.
Because of the enter and that's why you know they do. And that farm na mistake. If you know be mistake, they know the entire farm.
We don't need cow here again.
Why now, Oga?
In the sponsor. Madam, this one is not the first time.
We no need farm. That's how we are.
Why una know it?
The reason why we know that we use to hold our to hold our crops and the farm.
If you know spoil, if you know spoil farm.
Mala, just talk with you where you go.
Oga, I beg. Oga, I don't beg you.
They talk the thing.
You may give weapon. What you make weapon? Mala, talk. You might go get caught because all the food people like that download.
Listen to me, this is why they say.
Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back. As you have watched that video, please, I want you to share as many as you can, because I will understand that so many of you are no longer sharing our video for for your own reason, but I plead for you to share so that so many people will get the information, because we are here because of you, to bring the information to your doorstep so that you will get informed and know what they happen for the society. I want you to share and make sure say you follow this channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.